Hello everyone, this is Adolf from LIEBTY Machinery technology company, and today we come to LIUGONG Group. LIUGONG Group has more than 6 years of experience in construction machinery. So today I will introduce a wholesale excavator model to you. Let's go. Now you can see this is an excavator. 906F LIUGONG's 6-ton excavator has high speed, greater digging force, and smooth action coordination. And this excavator is equipped with the broken pipe of LIUGONG's original factory. In addition to the bucket, it can also equipped with other working devices, crunching hammers, some clamps, and so on. And another selling point is the cab. The cab is spacious and the driver's work is no longer depressing. The seat of the cab is adjustable and the operation panel is simple, which improves the operating efficiency of the driver. Now, let's see the standard configuration. The engine is Yanmar. Its emission standard is National 4, which is more friendly to the environment. If you are interested in this excavator model, please feel free to contact me. That's all. Thank you. Bye.